friends, it's Ranger Nyte. Let's go on a REL jungle safari and find some amazing animals. What's this? It has stripes. It's a tiger. Whoa, so big. What is it? An elephant.
It's a real elephant. Look at its long trunk. It's using it like a showie. So cool.
Wow.
Tigers are the biggest cats. They are super strong hunters. Look at those stripes. What's this? It has spots. A jaguar.
A real jaguar. Look at its spots. They are so cool. It's a super strong cat and a great swimmer.
What's this? It's so strong. A gorilla.
Wow, a real gorilla. He's the king of the jungle. So big and strong, just eating his lunch.
Whoa, what's this? It's swinging. It's a monkey. What's this? So colorful. A macaw.
Look, real parrots. They are so beautiful. Red, blue, and yellow. Wow.
What's this? So long. A python.
Whoa, a real snake. It's a giant python. Look at its cool patterns. It's a great hider.
What's this? Look at that big nose. A toucan.
It's a real toucan. Its beak is so big and colorful. It looks like a giant crayon. Wow.
What's this? In the water, a crocodile.
A real crocodile. Look at all those teeth. It's a powerful hunter in the river. Snap, snap.
What's this? It's slow. Slow. A sloth.
Ow, a real sloth. It's so slow and sleepy. It loves to hang upside down all day.
What's this? So tiny and bright. A poison dart frog.
So colorful, a real frog. Its bright colors say, "Don't touch me, I'm dangerous." So pretty, but just look.
What's this? What a funny nose. A tapir. A real tapir. Look at its funny floppy nose. It uses its nose to sniff for yummy leaves and fruits. What's this? Look at that long tail. A lemur.
A real lemur. Look at its stripy tail. It helps them say hello to their friends. Hello, lemur.
What's this? So blue. A blue morpho butterfly.
A real butterfly. It's so shiny and blue. It's like a flying jewel. So beautiful.
What's this? Hiding in the water. A hippo.
A real hippo. Wow, look at that giant mouth. Hippos love to stay cool in the water all day.
What's this? It's hiding. A chameleon. A chameleon. A real chameleon. Look, it's changing colors. Whoa, did you see that? It caught a bug with its super long sticky tongue. Zap. Wow, the jungle has so many amazing real animals. What a great safari.